Hey y'all, so starting off, I'm using the Silk Elements system. I love these products, so yeah. And y'all see this old silk press that I got going on? My hair is so greasy, just a mess. So of course, I start out with a shampoo. This right here is my second wash. That first wash never gets sudsy because it's still dirty. Once the shampoo starts sudsing up, that's when you know your hair is clean, okay? So I go in like crazy. I scrub and scrub and scrub, but I'm using my fingertips because my scalp is sensitive. I don't be wanting to dig all in my scalp. And to, go ahead and massage, get that circulation going, all that good stuff. And I kept going, so I had to cut this short because I was going in. But you want to make sure you cleanse your hair really, really good anytime you wash it. Then I went in with the conditioner. Now with this, I leave it in for 3 minutes. And then after the 3 minutes, I go ahead and detangle with a brush. But my hair, even though it's shorter right now, it is still a little bit thick. So I make sure I split it and get in the middle so everything is nice and hydrated. So again, this was after 3 minutes of letting that conditioner sit. I go in and detangle my whole head. It's easier this way instead of having to do it after I'm out the shower. And this right here, this deep condition treatment, this is the holy grail, okay? So as you see throughout the progression of this wash, my curls are starting to come back. So I put this conditioner in and then I finish my shower. I do not rinse this out. Not yet. So this is my hair with that conditioner still in there. Girl, still ain't doing what I wanted. So now I go into my steam treatment. Y'all, at this point, I got up at 5 in the morning. So that tell you how this is going. My husband's already up and already doing his thing. So this is me in the morning. I'm not a morning person at all. So if I could do this, y'all could do this. Y'all see how comfy and cozy I got? I lay my butt back down while I'm doing my hair. Steam treatment going. Now this lasts anywhere from 20 to 30 minutes. I literally just let it go until it turns off. And I toss and turn because I'm turning different angles to make sure my hair gets steam equally all over. So I go from like laying on my stomach to my side to my back, and I just keep going until the treatment stops. But most importantly, I relax because your girl be tired, really tired. Yeah, I gotta make sure I get that kitchen too. Yeah. This is one of my favorite treatments that I do because of how relaxing it is. Then after it turns off, I go and rinse it out, and now you can see my curls are more intact. This is leave-in conditioner. I spritz it all throughout my hair. And then this is a moisturizer, and I just go in with that. So what's important to me after having a silk press is just putting moisture back into my hair. My curls may not be perfect after a silk press, which for me personally, I don't mind because I know how to get my hair where I need it to be. So that's the important thing. Anytime you do anything, you just have to know how to maintain health or get back to it if need be, and or get back. This is oil, so I go in with this oil and I'm oiling my scalp. Just, I don't know, no system really, just kind of winging it as far as like where I'm putting it, trying to make sure I put it like all over. And then I add some to my hands and I work the ends to lock in moisture. And then I'm going to massage that scalp again, because why not? Get that in there, work that in there. And yeah, y'all don't mind my color. It has grown out so much, but we gonna fix that. So you'll see. Don't worry about that. I just haven't done anything because I didn't know if I was going to go back in with the skunk pieces or if I was going to change the color. But let me know what y'all think in the comments. If I should change the color or just freshen it up. Yeah, the shrinkage is real. Seriously. But yeah, this is my hair after my treatment. Nice and hydrated. And just went through a whole little repair session. Again, some spots is, need a little bit more TLC. But overall, yeah, this is how I restore my curls. So comment, like, and subscribe. See y'all later.